one of my most favorite body contouring technologies, using the synergy of multiple technologies combined in one handpiece. Tips how to achieve the greatest results help to boost collagen and elastin production. Hello everyone, super happy to see you guys again. Today we will be talking about one of my most favorite body contouring technologies, Zemits Bionexis Lite Pro. So this device enables to perform very comprehensive deep tissue anti-cellulite body contouring and shaping treatments on all of the body areas, as well as a little bit of lift on the face, neck and décolleté. We will go step by step. I will show you what technologies are combined in one handpiece, how to perform the treatment, and what are the tips how to achieve the greatest results with this device. The Zemits Bionexis Lite Pro is a comprehensive approach to target local fatty deposits, cellulite and saggy skin on body using the synergy of multiple technologies combined in one handpiece. So this handpiece in my hand is one of the most popular with this device. It combines vacuum suction to boost lymphatic drainage and also to perform deep tissue massage, as well as do the myofascial release. It also has the rollers that will help the handpiece glide over the surface of the skin. The rollers are the electrodes of the radio frequency. So we also have the energy-based technology that will help to boost collagen and elastin production, which will lead to tighter and firmer skin. And one more feature in the same handpiece, in the built-in infrared light on the wavelengths about 830 nanometers that will go deep into the dermis and boost healing, rejuvenation processes inside the skin. All of this combined together gives you comprehensive and very natural approach to target body issues. A little bit of science behind this beautiful technology. So it is clinically proven that the synergy of technologies and the synergy of application is much more effective than the sequence of the same treatments. So in our case, we combine 4 beautiful treatments to target the same problem. When the vacuum suction will work in the different pulse modes, and I will be the one determining how long I want the pulse to last, how powerful my suction, the vacuum suction should be. As well, I can adjust how quick the rollers will rotate, what direction the rollers will rotate. Additional adjustments will be how powerful the radiofrequency energy will be, so how deep of the dermal layer I will be trying to warm up and heat up to bring this neocollagenesis, as well as the infrared light. So everything is adjustable and everything is happening at the same time. So with this type of the synergy, I'm able to perform deep tissue massage, I'm able to do myofascial release, I'm able to target local fatty deposits, as well as tighten and firm the skin and boost lymphatic and blood circulation. This handpiece is pretty big. If you can see, it's heavy by itself, but the weight of the handpiece is actually a benefit of it. So when I will be doing the treatment, which I will show you right in a second, besides the fact that I need some weight pressing on the soft tissues, I will use the weight of my own body to achieve even more pressure on it. Or for example, when I would need to move the handpiece in certain directions, I also am using the weight of my torso to apply more pressure, and then without extra work from my arms, I would simply just use the heaviness of my body and the heaviness of the handpiece to achieve these awesome results. Let's go ahead and do the treatment, and I will tell you what you would need to perform the treatment and what are the steps of the treatment. To perform your body contouring, vacuum, rollers, radiofrequency treatment, you would need to have a conductor. There are a couple of ways. The way to go, the 100% effective way to proceed would be to use the special cream. This one is the radiofrequency cream. What is the benefit? So this cream is based on the glycerin. Glycerin will help to glide over the surface of the skin. Plus, it has the minerals that will help to conduct the radiofrequency, which is electrical current, deep into the skin. I do want to have 2 features. I want it to be glidy, so my vacuum rollers can go smoothly without pinching or damaging the soft tissues, and I do want it to conduct the radiofrequency. There are old ways to proceed, which was just using the massage oil, which was less effective because the massage oil will block actually the conductivity of radio frequency, or the gel. What was the benefits of the gel is that it was conducting the radio frequency better, but gel was not a very good slider first, and then gel can dry up and crystallize inside of the handpiece. That will make it more difficult to clean after. So using the radio frequency cream, which is based on glycerin, make it really easy to glide and to conduct radio frequency. So to perform the treatment on the entire leg, you would need not a lot of the cream because it will also melt. So on the motion of the handpiece and of the heat of the skin, it will melt eventually. From the white color, it will turn clear. So you would apply a little bit of cream all over the area to be treated, and then spread it evenly so it covers the entire area that we will be treating. To set up your device, you would need to start always with the low settings and then eventually go higher and higher. I will show you how to navigate the screen right now, and your user's manuals and the treatment protocol have recommendations as of the specific settings needed for this treatment. So you would need to turn it on. It will have this smarter loud sound, which is the sign that the compressor inside is very, very powerful. Let it logged in, and then you would need to click Okay, so I want to show you guys how to break the suction when you're using the constant vacuum suction. So when you apply the handpiece there, you need to use your second hand to lift the handpiece first. So I would press on the skin and breaking down the suction. Look, so I do have the constant suction, the skin is inside. To break it, I am using my second hand, pressing on the skin to break the suction. When the back side of the thigh is ready, you would need to move your client facing up and perform the similar logic but less intensity on the front side and on the inner side of the thigh. So you would need to apply the radio frequency cream, making sure that it's warm and evenly distributed through all the treated area. Use the same large handpiece and start with a bit lower settings because the front surface is usually a little bit more sensitive.